Good day. Hi, it's me, Nelka again, and I received an email from a friend. I think I missed something in my video, so I need to fill in the gap. Let's read his comment first. How do you import the second floor's drawing in the same project and cut the different rooms on it? We see the construction in video 3, but you don't mention how you did it, so I'm sorry for that. I think I missed that one. Maybe during that time I didn't record it. So sorry for that, and I will promise you that I will tell you how I did it. And the other question is, how can I adjust the inclined roof with the second floor? Because the doors come out the roof, and I didn't know how to fix it. On my first time, I also don't know how to do it, but I experimented and I did it. And you just have to do experiment and try and try and try and again until you did it. Okay, so I will show you how I did it, so you will not try and try and try again. Okay, let's do it and open this Dialux Evo file. And let's make it faster because I need to finish my laundry. So it's opening, and here you go. This is the Dialux Evo, which I showed you in my first 5 videos. Now I'm going to remove the second floor as per your request. Let's go to these layers. So you can see here now I have in the building 1, which is I have one building here, I have the ground floor and the second floor. So we're going to remove the second floor. We need to delete it, and let's say yes. Oh no, I deleted it. So we will create now the second floor from the very beginning, so you will know how I did it. First, you will need to import the second floor drawing. In my case, I already imported it. But for your case, let's remove it for now, and then let's import it again. Imagine that we finished our ground floor. Here, in the ground floor, I want to show you some layers also. And you can see here, in these tabs, these are already similar to layers in CAD file drawing. Okay, when you click this site tab, you will see everything in your project in the site area, including the building, the trees, the pathwalk, the driveway, and if you have any other structures, then you will see it in the site. And then if you click the building, you will see it's only a building. Similar to the site, you will have the floor plan, and then the 4 elevations, like that. And then if you go to the ground floor tab, you will see that ground floor plan, and then of course you also have an option for the plan view and elevations or sections. You also have these room tabs, which you can see it, the pull down menu, there's an arrow here. So you will see other rooms aside from the first one showing in the tab. Whatever your rooms in the ground floor or on that level, you will see it here in this tab. It's like from macro to micro, to the fullest details of every rooms. So macro and micro. Okay, so let's start now doing your request. The second floor. First, we need to import the second floor plan. So let's go back to this tab, import drawing, click the second floor, and then open. Before importing it, you have to make sure that you save your drawings into separate files like the ground floor and the second floor. So you will import it separately. And you have to make sure also that it has the same scale and it is located in the 0, axis. Okay, so let's go and select the second floor and say open. Now if you go here, you will have now the first floor and then the second floor. So let's import it now. To create a second floor, you need to go to this building tab, and then you need to select this new empty story, because there are 2 options here, new empty story and a duplicate story. If you want to duplicate the story, you will copy everything like the doors, the windows. Here I want to show you the options. In our case, we don't need to copy that similar ground floor because this is different. Our ground floor is so different from the second floor. If it's too typical, like for multi-story building, sometimes the 3rd floor is typical up to the 10th floor, then you will copy it as a typical one, or you just need to duplicate it simultaneously. But this one, it's different, it's totally different, so we don't copy it. So let's go back here in this tab. We will create a new empty story. So click this one, and here you go, we have an empty story. empty store because we will create our own new floor. And to have a guide, we need to open the CAD file. So let's go to this tab and then click this one so it will show. And you may want to put this CAD file into the level also, like in the ground floor. Let's click the ground floor. You will see here that the CAD file here is on the level of the floor of the ground floor. So we want to show that one in the second floor as well. So let's go to this drawing and then click this positioning into 0 because it's in the negative. So let's put 0 and ta-da! It will be in the 0 level. And it is in the second floor now. Okay, now we will create the walls. Go to the plan view and go to this tab and create a new building contour. Click this one. And you have to make sure that the level of your ground floor is similar to the second floor. If you can see here, I think it's not aligned. So we have to move the drawing. Let's go back first here. Click this one, move drawing, and see, this is the edge of the ground floor wall. And we should click this one aligned to this ground floor wall. So move the drawing, click this one, and then move. And then I think it's aligned now. Then we will start doing our second floor. Okay, go back to this tab, create new building contour, and then similar to what we did in the ground floor, create a new building wall, right click, close, and then create your walls. Go back to the drawing. You will see here that the wall here is from this side only. This one is void because it's too low. So we will follow this wall and let this one as empty. Okay? Alright. So let's go back here and draw a new indoor contour. First bedroom. Let's do the first bedroom. The wall is here and up to this one only, and here, and here. And now we have our first bedroom. Okay. And then a new one. Okay, now we have our second floor. But if you see in the CAD file, the wall in the second floor is like, it's too little. Unlike on the ground floor, it's like 2.5 meters high. But this one is like, let's check, it's like 40 centi. So we will create a 40 centimeter wall first. Go back to this file, and you can see here the default is 2.5, so we need to make it 0.4 or 4 centi, and then enter. Then it will become like this. Why I do that? Because I need to create a roof. There's maybe a other technique, but that's how I did it. So I will show you how I did it. Alright, so let's go back to the drawing CAD file again and check the height of the roof. Go to this inner part of the roof and go to the finished floor line, and you will see it's 4.5. Let's go back here and go to this roof tab, and then in the roof tab you will select a roof that is similar to ours. So we will select a double pitch roof, and then once you selected it, just drag and drop like that. You can see here it's wrong. It's a little wrong for now, but we will adjust it accordingly. So we will adjust it here. It's 4.5, and you can see here now it's the roof. Now this is a little wrong because you should have wall here on this side. Unfortunately, because I put 40 centi only on the wall, it happens. So I will go back to the second floor and I will adjust the room height similar to the height of the roof, which is 4.5. So I'm changing the number here into 4.5 and then enter, and it will become like this. So I need to adjust it downward. Select the roof tab and then adjust this one and move it down. You need to move it down like this. There you go. And let's see in the, oh, see, there you are. Now I think it's right, and it's there. So you have to move it down. If you want to double check, go to the front view or the side view and check the height of the roof. So yeah, it's more or less 4.5. It's 4.431. You can adjust it later. Okay, so now you have your second floor and the sloping roof. But one more thing, you have to place this window here. And how to do that? Of course, you need to go back here, go to this apertures, and select the similar window to that CAD drawing. And I saw this one. This is a skylight. I think this is perfect. So let's select the skylight and drag and drop or position it like this. And there you are. I think it's perfect. We have to double check the location of the skylight. So go back to the plan view and you can see the yellow square. That is the location of the skylight or the roof. So we need to adjust our skylight on that side. Right click and then move. And then place your window accordingly. Okay, I think this is much wider, so we need to scale it or change it here. Let's make this one 0.8. 8 and this one is 0.9. There you are. Alright, you can adjust it later if you want to make it precise. So let's look, and there you go. And of course, in the CAD file, you will see that there are 3 windows and another 3 windows on the other side. So we have 6 windows or 6 skylights on the roof. So we need to create that one. And since you have this one and you have the size here, you just have to copy it together on the other side and on this side also. So just click this one and then click. And another one here. And then if you want to make sure that the location is correct, go to the plan view, select the window and move it. Of course, on the other side, let's see, you need to put your skylight also here. So just click this one, position active building opening, and then click and click. It's like you're playing. And then if you want to make it precise, the location is correct, you need to go to the plan view and move your skylight or your window accordingly. Right click, select the move, and then move it. Ta-da! Now there you have your roof with skylight. Okay, I think we need to select the material for the roof. So go back to this tab, materials, select catalogs, default catalog of Dialux Evo, and then go to the roof coverings, and then I think we select this one before, so just drag. And there you are. You now have your roof and window. And then I think we need to copy this wall to that wall also. So pick material, copy this one, and then apply material. Apply to this one also. Okay, so now you have a complete house. So let's review. How do you import the second floor drawing? So I already mentioned that one. And cut the different rooms on it. Or I never mentioned that one to you. It's not cutting the room. It's already the default option of Dialux Evo. That's the good thing actually of Dialux Evo, because you can see the rooms like it is cut. I would like to show you how. Just click this tab. For example, you go to the ground floor. And if you click this one, the ISO, you will see that it's there. So if you go to the second floor, you will see it like this also. See? You see now your rooms. And if you cut this one, because it's a stair, you can also cut this one later if you like. Okay, so next question is, how can I adjust the inclined roof with the second floor? Because the doors came out of the roof. Okay, I already showed you how. You just need to create your second floor with a slight lower wall first, and then adjust it using the window tab here, and go to the elevation or this view, and then click the roof, and then move up and down if you like. To make it precise, go to this view, front or side, and then you may up or down the roof. Okay? Then there you go. I think it's done. If you have question, to all my friends there. Okay, I saw this one. This is a CAD file, so you need to remove it in this side view. So it's gone. Okay, so I think I answered all your question. I may continue now my laundry activity. Okay, bye.